Hi, what's up? How is it going? Today's video we are going to be creating a perfect what's it called, flyer in CorelDraw 2021. So without further ado, let's step into it. So here are the pictures that we are going to make use of. It's what's it called, it's a remodeling company. So what we are going to do, we have to be creative about it, and all these three pictures were downloaded from freepik.com. You can go there and download yours so for this project. So without further ado, let's step into it. So right now, let's create a box just like so, a square. Can you see that? So what you're going to do next is to just change the color, set it to back. So right now, what we are going to do, we are going to maneuver this picture, make a copy, forward, center it within the previous one, then you go over, select it once again, go over to your shape tool, then you range from the bottom, pull it all the way to the top, then you expand it just like so. So select these two together, convert to bitmap. It has to be RGB. Good. So make a copy again, center it within the previous one, then you go over to your shape tool, range from the left hand side, then you drag it all up just like so, then you expand it. Good. Bitmap. So right now what we're gonna do is to just make a copy again, center, then it's gonna be same process, then you pull just like so, expand your bitmap all together, make a copy again, center, then you go over to your what's it called, shape tool, right from the top, pull it all the way down just like so, then you expand, then you bitmap. Good. So what we're going to do now is to just Powerclip, go over to object, then locate Powerclip, then you place inside frame, select the frame, automatically it snap into the frame, then hold Alt key, select the image, then release the Alt key, then you adjust just like so. Good. So right now what we are going to do is to bring in the name of the company. Reduce that. So what we are going to do now is to change it to all white. Let's change this to white. Can you see that? So what we're gonna do next is to go ahead, let's put in this. I think that's okay. So what we are going to do now is to adjust the image a little bit to the side, then reduce that. Good. So what we are going to do now is to go ahead and just let's squeeze it a bit. So what we are going to do now, let's create some kind of remodel draw. Creatively. So right now let's go ahead and just change that to, let's use Trijan. Enter from here, then you enter from here, then use your what's it called, shape tool, and create just like so, pull that aside just like so. Let's give it a right alignment. Good. Reduce that a little bit. Good. So our next step right now is to go over and just delete this. Put this here, change the fonts. Let's go over and just cut this off, paste right here, paste. Then let's bold in this, the emphasis on this. Good, give it right alignment, bold that all up. Then let's go over and add a button here, give it space, the shape tool just like so, change to white, make it copy downward just like so. Good. So what we are going to do now, let's just delete the comma, delete this, delete this, give this capital letter. Good. So what we're going to do now, let's have a little bit of line here for a demarcation, change it to white, hit F12, taking that, make it 1 point. That's good. Make it copy downward, good. You have to change this, change the font to right. You remove the creatively, they should be bold. Then you go over to your shape tool, close the tracking a little bit, then just like so. Good. Good. Can you see that? Right now, let's lay emphasis on the contact right here. Lay that contact. So we are going to put, what's it called, a symbol of email and all of that. Hit Ctrl K. So let's take this downward a bit. Good. Make it big. Good. So right now let's make this bold. Let's add plus 2 3 4 space, space, space. So let's go over and create, symbol right here, symbol of phone, change it to white, zoom it all up, make a copy in Word, put this, and make a copy, drag it just like so, right click to copy paste, make a copy. Here is the finished line of what we are creating. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. See you in the next video. Bye for now.